Abakuru kurgo Ministry ya Public Service nibo babire bizire koresa interviews ezi konko muhezi wa RDC ahabwa Kisoro district abemereize abo kujangu cha person wakachika karukugaba emirimo no muhandi cyahabwa Kisoro district babire batarho.
And we don't want to create a situation where we cannot answer any single question even if it is from one candidate. So to be fair for everyone, those who are present and those who are absent, who were probably unfairly, maybe those who you have had, maybe those who didn't give money were not shortlisted. If they come up with those issues, we shall be responsible. And now that we know that it can happen, we should not take that responsibility. Let's give it time. We apologize for the amount of money taken, spent on the exercise. But the good thing, the government through Public Service Commission has also spent money to come. If you had not come, you would have said, why did those people come?
Aba ministry bajango kwija kwabo muri Kisoro babire bakwatagana na secretary konka ko bakireyo bashange ibintu bihindukire.
And the trouble there were attacking the acting secretary until we reached here and found that yesterday they had issues and they have not had enough time. So for us we have
what is our fate? Because we need to be clear, you need to be clear to us, we know what is going on, what is happening. Surely it is a disservice to us also.
Mukuru wakachiko karukugaba emirimo ahereze kwatwa aba anti-corruption unit ahabo kutekatekwa ho kuryenguzi kandi ariyo mu cyome wo muhandici ariyo mu kahumuro.
Unfortunately, they could not conduct the activities because of what is going on in Kisoro. They found those ones that had invited them, included the chairperson of the District Service Commission on behalf of the Commission and the Secretary of the District Service Commission. Both of them are not around, as you know. You know what has taken place. Chairman of the District Service Commission, I think, was arrested and is still in Rwampara. The Secretary is sick, but he's also, I think, wanted. So what we did, we consulted what to do, and we are guided that there is no way we can conduct the exercise because, one, those ones who invited the commission people to come are not there. And what happens in case this exercise is conducted and where will they put the results?
Ababire bizire kora interviews batahire no batere ntoma hansi.
Iye neza dusanze ababishinzwe badakoze iki batahari. None batubwiye ngo dutegereze natwe tugiye kwicara dutegereze aho bazongera tutwakurira tuzaza tuzikore kandi ni batazatwakora ubwo bizaba birangiye tuzategereza indi advance.
Like hari abantu bavaga kuri hari abari kuva Kampala abari kuva Kanungu uzi advert yibayeho you apply so expenses zo zabayemo but nukwihangana ntacyo gukora dufite.
Ubwa hati emirimo yakachiko karukugaba emirimo esiarire omuri Kisoro district ahabo kugira ngo tukine bwebembezi bwona. Gashako Kate atuzarirwe.